Welcome back to frontloadbearings.com. This is video number 15. So on this one I'm just going to show you how to put these metal clips back on. They're actually a piece of cake, no worries. All you need is your hammer and the clip, and you can see where they came off from because they leave these little bits of plastic hanging behind. It doesn't have to be perfect in the exact same positions, you just want to evenly distribute them around. And all you do is sit it on top, lightly tap it with your hammer, and that's it, nothing else to it. Very easy. Same here, see another piece of plastic that's hanging off, so you know one lived there. Alright, that was that one on. And you're just going to continue right the way around the whole machine until you have them all back in place. Now also, just wanted to point out there's a guide right here. You can see there's a female receptacle and then the male. When you're putting the two halves back together, those guides line everything up nicely for you so the both sides are squarely fitting together. Second thing to know about here is when you're putting the top on, you can always lay a couple of 2x4 pieces of wood underneath, so when the basket goes in, it's not hitting the floor. The shaft on the other side isn't hitting the floor. So you can do that as well. But then just go right the way around, get all of your clips back on, and then on the next video we will go straight to the pulley. In fact, I think we will go straight to the pulley right now. So I'm just going to hit pause.